This is what the birds want.
No, I'm getting my favorite trick.
Here, give me the other ones. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now look. We're going to go through there.
The island of sunshine.
Okay, look, we're going through there where those birds are, the white birds. So, when we
You
go...
mean the females?
No, the males. The males are the ones that
White?
are more aggressive. So we're just going to give them the cereal, and then we're going to go. They should like that cereal, though. Give me the umbrella. I don't think the umbrella is going to help you, baby. Okay? I don't think the umbrella is going to help you right now. Remember, you got to give them the cereal, okay? So you might want to give me the umbrella. Give me the umbrella.
Here.
You want to give them the cereal. We're going to be going through females and males. So we probably just want to stay on this side over here.
Females and males. I'm terrified. Terrified.
Hey, come on, let's go. Remember, don't do that, baby. Okay?
But the birds like cereal.
Yeah, the birds do like cereal.
Should I go in the water?
No, not yet. Let's just get a little bit closer and then we'll stop before we get too close so they don't try to rush us. Okay, you got the cereal ready? Okay.
Now go.
Let's stop right here. Stop right here. Come on, let's start backing up a little bit. Pour out your cereal. Pour out your cereal. Pour out your cereal. Pour out the cereal. Pour out this. Okay, let's back up. Come on, let's back up, baby. Back up. Back up. Okay. Now we should see them all over here. Those are the males. And we got the pigeons. They're coming from the sky. Hey, come on, baby. Let's back up. Come on.
Why is there cereal around?
Because they're going to start coming and rushing us in a minute. They run pretty quick, too. Come on, baby. Let's go. Hey, go. Go, go, go. Let's run. Oh, shit. Go this way. Here, go ahead. Okay, as you can see, oh shit, hurry up, open up the box. Hey, baby. Don't get scared. Throw them some cereal. Pour out more. Pour out more cereal. Maybe the host. Almost too many of them. It's almost too many of them. Okay, back up a little bit, baby. Okay, baby, come over here a little bit. You don't want to come in? Okay. Whoa.
You know what they do? I'm going to pull the rest of the
Here. Don't throw the bags, baby. Here. I gotta get up the trash. There's too many of them. Come on, baby, there's too many of them. They're on your shoes. They're walking on you. Come on, just pour them out, baby. Just pour out more. I think we're no, not the whole thing. There's gooses. These are geese. These are female geese right here. And then there is, just pour it out. Don't touch them, baby. Don't touch them this time. Just pour it out. There's too many of them. Come on, let's get ready to go back up. Come on, come here. There's too many of them. Come here, Relena. Let's go to the car and get some more, baby. Come on. Let's go get some more cereal. Come on. Look, they're trying to get the bag. Come on. Yeah, I know. Okay, here. Give the... Here. I told you there's too many of them. Here. Take the bread, break it up, and give it to the geese. Yeah, break it into pieces and give it to the geese. Okay, come on, baby. That's a big geese right there. Come on, baby, here. Take some more of the bread here. Come on, break it up and give it to him. Break it up and give it to him. Huh? This is too many birds. Come on, here, break them up. They're all in your shoes. Come on, Relena, let's go. Here, take this bread right here. Look. Oh, shit. The bird was trying to fly and take the bread out of my hand. Come on here, take the bread. And look, let's back up. Come on, Relena. You got to listen to me, okay, baby? Look, that's the one. Come on, let's go. Come on. Yeah. The birds are, oh shoot, they're already on their way. Get your box of crackers, baby, or else they'll knock the cracker,
Oh!
Here. Here they come.
Open this one too?
No, just start giving it to them because they're going to get mad. Looking for it.
I'm too scared.
Just don't be scared, hurry and give it to them before they start getting tripping and stuff. Just crack them up and give it to them. Because they're coming again.
You ready to play your bird too? You ready to pick your bird too?
No, not ready. Oh, shit.
Daddy, my turn.
Hey, come on, baby. Let's go this way. Come on, baby. Let's just start back on the road. These birds are acting wild. Those are... You gave them a whole bunch, huh? Whoa.
I'm gonna slam this whole box down your head.
No, don't talk to them. Don't talk to the birds like that. They're not going to try to bite you, dude.
What? They're not showing that feet.
Stop talking like that, okay? Okay? They don't got sharp teeth. Okay, come on, baby. Let's back up a little bit. Get your box of crackers. Crackers, see it right there? Pack of crackers. I'm gonna pick up all the paper. Okay. Look at them. They are fighting over that food. Can you believe it?